What's for dinner?
I'm very hungry tonight.
Me too. Long work day today.
What should we cook tonight?
Hmm, I really don't know.
Let's check the refrigerator first.
Okay, please tell me good news.
Uh, this looks terrible.
What happened? Is food missing?
We forgot grocery shopping again.
Oh no, not again.
We have carrots and onions only,
Really? Nothing else inside there?
some rice, and old yogurt.
That sounds very sad.
Maybe we order pizza tonight?
We ordered pizza yesterday.
Right. That's probably too much.
Wait, maybe I have idea.
Okay, tell me your idea.
We can make fried rice.
With carrots and onions only?
Yes, small pieces taste better.
Do we have soy sauce?
Yes, inside the kitchen cupboard.
Oh, great. Any eggs left?
Yes, we still have 4.
Now dinner sounds much better.
See, we don't need pizza.
You saved dinner tonight. Seriously.
I saved our money too.
Tomorrow, we need supermarket shopping.
Big shopping list this time.
Yes, very big shopping list.
And maybe less pizza next week.
No promises about that.
Help with the printer. Is this printer broken again?
You look stressed. Everything okay?
I need papers for meeting today.
And printer stopped working?
Yes, nothing comes out anymore.
What does the screen say?
It says paper jam right here.
That happens every single week.
I don't know how to fix it.
Don't worry, I can help you.
Really? Thank you so much.
First, open this side panel carefully.
Okay, it's open now.
Look inside for stuck paper pieces.
Oh, I see crumpled paper.
Good. Pull it very slowly.
I'm scared it may tear.
It's okay. Just pull gently.
Okay, I got it out.
Perfect. Close the panel again.
Wait, the printer sounds different now.
That's good. It's starting again.
The screen says ready now.
Great. Try printing your report again.
Okay, sending it right now.
Fingers crossed for good luck.
It's working! Finally working!
See, easy problem this time.
You seriously saved my morning today.
Haha, buy me coffee later then.
Deal. Large coffee and muffin too.
Perfect. Best payment ever.
Whose turn is it?
Dinner was really delicious tonight.
Thanks. I tried new pasta sauce.
It tasted very good, honestly.
Good. I'm happy you liked it.
Now, I want movie time.
Wait, look at these dirty dishes.
Oh, right. The kitchen mess.
Somebody needs to wash everything tonight.
I think it's your turn.
My turn? No way.
Really? I washed dishes yesterday.
I remember washing big pans.
Maybe, but I cleaned glasses yesterday.
Are you completely sure about that?
Maybe not completely sure.
Exactly. I knew it.
This always becomes same argument.
We need better kitchen system, honestly.
Wait, we have that chore chart.
Oh, yes, the refrigerator chart.
Let's check it together now.
Okay, today is Friday, right?
Yes, Friday says your name there.
That's very unfortunate.
The chart never lies.
Fine, I will wash everything tonight.
Thanks. I can dry dishes, though.
Really? That actually helps a lot.
Then we finish much faster together.
And movie starts earlier too.
Exactly. Teamwork saves movie night.
Okay, teamwork sounds better now. Saturday night plans.
Finally, it's Saturday night.
Yes, this week felt very long.
What should we do tonight?
Maybe stay home tonight?
Staying home sounds little boring, honestly.
You always say that first.
Okay, maybe I need excitement tonight.
Like what? Big party downtown?
Oh no, I'm too tired.
Same here. Clubs sound exhausting now.
Maybe movie theater and popcorn instead?
That sounds a little expensive tonight.
True. Tickets cost too much lately.
Wait, my coworker suggested nice restaurant.
Really? What kind restaurant exactly?
Small Greek restaurant near River Street.
Greek food sounds amazing right now.
She said food tastes very authentic.
But Saturday, restaurants become super crowded.
Yeah, I hate waiting outside restaurants.
Maybe we call before going there?
Good idea. Ask about free tables.
Okay, searching their phone number now.
I hope they answer quickly.
Ah, I found their website here.
Great. Please call them now.
Hello? 2 people tonight, please.
Waiting time too.
They have 1 table available.
Seriously? That's perfect for us.
Reservation starts in 30 minutes.
Then hurry up. Change your shirt.
Wow, suddenly very strict tonight.
Greek food deserves nice clothes sometimes. The broken toaster. Coffee smells really good today.
Thanks. Fresh coffee always helps mornings.
Did you make toast already?
We have small problem here.
What kind of problem exactly?
The toaster stopped working suddenly.
Again? Maybe plug came loose.
I checked already. Plug looks fine.
Maybe press handle harder then.
I tried 3 different times.
Nothing happened after pushing it down?
No light, no heat, nothing.
Wow. It finally died completely.
It was very old, honestly.
Yeah, we bought it years ago.
So, no toast for breakfast now?
Wait, maybe we still have solution.
Really? What can we do?
We can toast bread in pan.
Like camping breakfast style?
Exactly. It actually tastes very good.
Okay, I'll get frying pan.
Great. I'll bring butter and jam.
This feels strangely fun, honestly.
Sometimes broken things create better mornings.
That sounds very deep today.
Maybe coffee makes me philosophical.
We still need new toaster, though.
True, I can buy one later.
Nothing expensive, please. Simple toaster only.
Deal. Cheap toaster with strong personality.
I just need warm bread.
Fair enough. Simple breakfast expectations today. Catching up at the cafe. This cafe feels really cozy today.
Yeah, much quieter than usual here.
I'm glad we finally met again.
Me too. Work kept me busy.
Same here. This month feels exhausting.
I seriously needed good coffee today.
Did you order anything already?
Just black coffee and small sandwich.
Nice. I got hot chocolate instead.
Still drinking children's drinks, huh?
Absolutely. Hot chocolate makes life better.
Fair point, honestly. I understand that.
So, how was your week lately?
Busy mostly. Lots of office meetings.
That sounds stressful, honestly.
Yeah, but something exciting happened yesterday.
Oh, really? Tell me everything.
I finally booked vacation tickets online.
Nice. Where are you traveling exactly?
I'm visiting Chicago next month, actually.
Chicago. That sounds really fun.
I'm nervous about traveling alone, though.
That feeling is completely normal, honestly.
What if I get lost there?
Then ask somebody for directions politely.
Easier said than done sometimes.
You'll be okay. People usually help.
I hope so. Big cities confuse me.
Just keep phone battery fully charged.
Good advice. I always forget that.
And send me travel pictures, please.
Of course, especially food pictures first.
Perfect. That's true friendship, honestly.
Making weekend plans.
Finally, the weekend is here.
Yes, this week felt extremely long.
Do you have weekend plans already?
Not really. Maybe just relaxing.
Relaxing sounds nice after a busy week.
I seriously need extra sleep first.
Same here, honestly. Work was exhausting.
Did you check tomorrow's weather forecast?
Yeah, sunny and warm all day.
Oh, good. Perfect outdoor weather then.
We should do something outside tomorrow.
Like, what exactly? Any good ideas?
Maybe bicycle ride near the lake?
Wait, that sounds really fun.
We haven't biked together for months.
True, my bicycle probably misses sunshine.
Bikes don't have feelings, though.
Maybe mine does, honestly.
Okay, emotional bicycle sounds interesting.
Stop making fun of me.
Sorry. So, lake trip tomorrow morning.
Yes, please. That sounds perfect, honestly.
We can pack sandwiches and drinks.
Oh, small picnic near water, too.
Exactly. Relaxing and a little exercise together.
What time should we leave tomorrow?
Maybe around 10 o'clock morning?
Perfect. Not too early, thankfully.
Don't forget bicycle air pressure tonight.
Right. Mine probably needs more air.
I'll bring a small tire pump tomorrow.
Thanks. You always remember useful things.
Somebody must save weekend adventures.
At the farmer's market.
This market smells really fresh today.
Yeah, everything looks colorful and beautiful.
Do you come here every weekend?
Usually Saturday mornings before breakfast, actually.
I understand why now, honestly.
What vegetables do you need today?
Definitely carrots and some potatoes.
Good choice. Those carrots look very fresh.
How many should I buy?
Maybe half kilogram for this week.
Okay, that sounds enough for me.
What about tomatoes? They look amazing too.
Oh yes, I almost forgot tomatoes.
Shopping while hungry becomes dangerous.
Seriously, everything suddenly looks delicious here.
Are you cooking something special tonight?
Maybe homemade soup and potato salad?
That sounds perfect for cold weather.
I'm still learning potato salad, though.
Don't worry. Simple recipes taste best sometimes.
Which potatoes work better for salad?
Smaller potatoes stay firm after cooking.
Ah, that's useful information, honestly.
Big potatoes become too soft sometimes.
That explains my terrible salad before.
See? Cooking mistakes teach important lessons.
True, my kitchen teaches many lessons.
Should we buy fruit too today?
Maybe apples. They smell really sweet.
Good idea. Apples always disappear quickly home.
Especially when I watch television late.
Late night apple eating sounds surprisingly healthy.
Taking care of the plants.
These plants look thirsty today.
Yeah, the weather became really hot lately.
I'll water everything this morning then.
Good idea.
Balcony gets strong sunlight now.
Most plants look healthy, thankfully.
Except that tomato plant there.
Yeah, leaves look little yellow now.
Maybe it needs more water daily.
Or maybe too much water already.
Plants feel confusing sometimes, honestly.
Seriously, I never understand plant problems.
Let me check the soil quickly.
Okay, what does it feel like?
Very dry, actually. That's probably problem.
So, more water helps tomato plant?
I think so, especially during hot afternoons.
I really want fresh tomatoes soon.
Don't worry, plants still look strong.
Maybe fertilizer could help little too.
Oh, right. We bought fertilizer last month.
Where did we put bottle though?
Maybe under kitchen sink downstairs.
I'll check there right now.
Okay, I'll water plants meanwhile.
Found it. Small green bottle here.
Perfect. Read instructions before using, though.
Good point. Too much sounds dangerous.
Exactly. Plants need balance like people.
Wow, gardening made you philosophical too.
Maybe tomatoes teach life lessons secretly.
If tomatoes pay rent someday, amazing.
Then we grow a whole tomato farm. Sorting the recycling. Recycling corner looks completely full again.
Yeah, we should organize everything tonight.
Tomorrow is collection day already.
Oh, right. I almost forgot, honestly.
Did you sort bottles correctly, though?
Maybe not completely correctly.
Okay, let's check everything together now.
I put plastic bottles inside this bag.
Good. Those belong there, exactly.
What about this empty milk bottle?
That goes separate from plastic bottles.
Seriously? Recycling rules confuse me sometimes.
Don't worry, they confuse many people, honestly.
Okay, I'll move it right now.
Great. Now check those glass jars.
I washed them before recycling today.
Perfect, but remove metal lids first.
Wait, where do lids belong exactly?
Metal box near kitchen door, there.
Ah, okay, that makes sense now.
Did you sort newspapers already, too?
Yes, they're stocked beside cardboard boxes.
Nice. We should tie them together.
Can you show proper knot again?
You forget knots every single week.
True, my knots always become disasters.
Here, wrap string tightly like this.
Okay, wow, that actually looks neat.
Practice helps with recycling and knots.
Maybe I need more recycling practice.
At least apartment looks cleaner now.
Yes, until next week's recycling mountain appears.